All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
China has been accused of hosting a cluster of fake Facebook and Instagram accounts which targeted the Sikh community across the world to propagate pro-Khalistan sentiments. Facebook and Instagram owner Meta, in its adversarial threat report, said that they removed 37 Facebook accounts, 13 pages, 5 groups and 9 Instagram accounts for violating its policy against coordinated inauthentic behavior. Meta said in its Q1 2024 adversarial threat report, this network originated in China and targeted the global Sikh community, including in Australia, Canada, India, New Zealand, Pakistan, the UK, and Nigeria. Meta added that this activity included several clusters of fake accounts originating from China that targeted India and the Tibet region. China is accused of hosting a cluster of fake Facebook and Instagram accounts which targeted the Sikh community across the world to propagate pro-Khalistan sentiments. Some of these clusters amplified one another, with most of their engagement coming from their own fake accounts, likely to make this campaign more popular than it was, Meta report added. Reflecting the way the Khalistani separatist movement remains deeply denounced within the Sikh community itself. This operation used compromised and fake accounts, some of which were detected and disabled by our automated systems prior to our investigation, to pose as Sikhs, post content and manage pages and groups, Meta further said. China behind fictitious Operation K online movement. China-based network created a fictitious Operation K which called for pro-Sikh protests, including in New Zealand and Australia, the Meta report added. It also claimed that it found and removed this Operation K activity before it could build an audience among authentic communities. They posted primarily in English and Hindi about news and current events, including images likely manipulated by photo editing tools or generated by artificial intelligence, in addition to posts about floods in the Punjab region, the Sikh community worldwide, the Khalistan independence movement, the assassination of Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar, and criticism of the Indian government, Meta said. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, announced that it disrupted a secret influence campaign from Israel. This campaign used OpenAI's models to create pro-Congress and anti-Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) content, which was then spread online to interfere with the ongoing election process. OpenAI reported that in May, this network utilized its AI models to generate large volumes of brief comments, which were subsequently distributed across platforms such as Telegram, X, Instagram, and other sites. In a report on its website, OpenAI revealed that the Israeli political campaign management firm Stoic generated content concerning both the Indian elections and the Gaza conflict. In May, it reported that less than 24 hours after it began, it disrupted some activity focused on the Indian elections. The company referred to the operation as Zero Zeno. Minister of State for Electronics and Technology Rajiv Chandrasekhar responded to the report by stating, "It is absolutely clear and obvious that the BJP was and continues to be the target of influence operations, misinformation, and foreign interference conducted by and or on behalf of some Indian political parties. This is a very dangerous threat to our democracy. It is clear vested interests in India and outside are clearly driving this and needs to be deeply scrutinized, investigated and exposed," he added. OpenAI affirmed its dedication to creating AI that is safe and beneficial for all. Our efforts to uncover covert influence operations are aligned with a larger mission of ensuring the safe deployment of AI. OpenAI stressed its dedication to enforcing policies against misuse and improving transparency in AI-generated content. This includes efforts to uncover and stop covert influence operations, which seek to influence public opinion or political outcomes while hiding the identities or intentions of those involved. Over the past 3 months, we've been actively countering deceptive and abusive practices, which involve disrupting covert influence operations aiming to leverage AI models to further their agenda across the internet, it said.